going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, time for another video. You know what time it is. It's time for my hot pick of the day. Now, before I get into that, don't forget to help me out by smashing those buttons for me. That's right, all you gotta do is 3 clicks of the mouse, like, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new videos, some new content, or go live, you'll be the first one to know. It's all good. All right, let's get into it. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker FDX, better known as FedEx. Yeah, FedEx been in some trouble. FedEx delivered a fiscal second quarter result that missed consensus expectations and lowered its profit outlook again amid escalating competition from the e-commerce giant Amazon. That's right, you know, Amazon Prime got their own trucks and they've been trying to block, I don't know if I could say that.
Watch your mouth, young man.
FedEx with all their vendors. Well, anyway, here are the results from the report of the earnings that came out after hours today. Revenue is 17.3 billion versus a 17.66 billion expected. Adjusted earnings per share $2.51 versus the $2.78 expected, and the adjusted operating margin 3.9% versus 5.35 expected. Yes, the fiscal 2020 is a year of continued significant challenges and changes for FedEx, particularly in the quarter just ended due to the compressed shipping season. FedEx CEO Fred Smith said in the statement, "We have significantly enhanced our e-commerce capabilities with strategic initiatives including year-round 7 days FedEx ground delivery, enhanced large package capabilities, and insourcing of FedEx Smart Post packages," he added. FedEx says it expects to see a full year adjusted earnings between $10.25 to $11.50 a share, excluding some acquisition integration expenses and before an accounting adjustment for its mark-to-market retirement plan. This was a reduction from its previous guidance between $11 and $13 a share. This measure previously. Shares of FedEx slumped 4.5% to $155.77 each as of 4:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time after results were released. Yep, and they dropped down even more as we speak. So FedEx running into trouble with the competition, well, everyone's competition. Amazon trying to take all its business and trying to block some vendors from using FedEx. Well, at least that's what I read. But as always, we are technical traders, so we always go to the charts to see what's going on with my hot pick of the day, the ticker FDX. That's FedEx. Now check it out. You can see after hours, FedEx closed at 163.23 and dropped as low as 151.80 in the after hours, and kind of just not really bouncing, just kind of staying at this 151, 152 level. Let's go to the daily chart to get more insight on FedEx. FedEx was at a high of $199.32 back in April. Took a big plunge down and just kind of been chopping around this area between 178 and 150 for the last couple months until now, and actually right here it broke under the 200 and just been riding this 200 down, which isn't a good sign. So let's take a look at these daily fibs on the intraday and see if we got anything close to it. As you can see, this 155.06 and 163.16. 163.16 is this 50% retracement that it was actually trying to hold today. Let's back out a little bit. You can see, let's back out of it a little bit. You can see it kind of broke down above and just kind of trying to hold this 163.16 area the last couple days, but just couldn't do it today. It was barely hanging on by the string. This 163.16 became resistance once, twice, 3 times. It broke over a little bit and closed a little bit above it, but after hours just got slammed down. Now you can see it's under the 200, under this 9, 20, 50-day moving averages, below all the moving averages on the daily right now. So not looking good for FedEx. Let's put up some intraday fibs so you can check it out. As you know, I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader. So what I did, mark off this 163.50 high of this after hours all the way down to the low of 151.80. You can see the 50% retracement is all the way up here at 157.65, but you also have this 50 daily SMA blocking it, and above here at 159.38, the 20 EMA on the daily, and the 161.26, the 9 EMA on the daily. So a lot of resistance up here for FedEx to take out if it wants to rise back up. So we'll just have to see where it goes. What we're looking for tomorrow is maybe a test of this 154.56, maybe even this 156.08, which is the 50 SMA, maybe this 157.65 even. It is the 50% retracement on this gap down, but I'm not not sure. It doesn't look like it wants to bounce. It's just kind of barely treading water here. So we'll look for those levels to pop up. Maybe the shorts will cover and some people will take profits, and some people will just get out of the stock and they will give it a little pop in the morning and then drop. If it does drop, what are we looking for? Let's look on the daily chart for more analysis on that. The next significant level is at this 147.82. After that 135.12, but first it would have to test this low of 137.78, which is I believe the 52-week low. So 147.82 is what we want to watch on the intraday. Let's squeeze it up. Yeah, you can see this about 147 also. So 147, if it breaks this 151.80 low, you can see a test of 150. Natural resistance may hold. If not, this thing could drop to 147 and even lower. So might look for a pop-up and a drop back down, or even just a drop all the way down to this 147 at open. We just gotta wait and see, but not looking good for FedEx, most definitely, with all this news and all this competition with Amazon for delivery. So we just gotta wait and see what happens in the pre-market and at open tomorrow. But definitely I think the bears are on the prowl. For my hot pick of the day, the ticker FDX, that's FedEx. All right, there you go. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker FDX, that is FedEx. Now, it takes a lot to put these videos together, but I do it because I got mad love, and I love taking this journey with all you traders out there who watch me struggle and, you know, face the same adversities that I do. But, you know, I definitely want to put out these videos every single day. All I ask from returning you guys is just 3 simple clicks of your mouse. Yup, YouTube will love you for it, and I will too. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click number 3, hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, you can be right there rocking and rolling with me, earning while we're learning. It's all G-O-O-D good. All right, that's gonna make it a wrap for this one right here. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing out, reminding you to plan your trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean. Till next time, aloha.